guys, if you're struggling to create your own YouTube channel, then this video is surely for you. I'll be doing a step-by-step guide on how to create your own YouTube channel. So if you are interested, please stick around, and if you're new, I'm Trisonie, and please go ahead and give this video a like, comment, share and subscribe, and let's jump right into the video.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So the first thing you need to do in creating your YouTube channel is make sure that you know what your channel is going to be about and what the name is going to be. And as you can tell, I am new to this YouTube community and I'm still learning. And when I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't know what I was going to do. So I started to do challenges, makeup, and even though I didn't know to do makeup fully, I did try my best to put forward a video, and I would practice behind the camera to do my makeup to make sure that it was looking a little decent. But yeah, as I said, make sure you know what your YouTube channel name is going to be about and what you're going to post on your channel. Also guys, make sure that you also have pictures ready to put up as your channel profile picture, and I'm going to be linking a tutorial to how to create a YouTube channel to go even deeper into the system and how I started YouTube and learn about YouTube is this thing called YouTube Academy, and that teaches me everything that I need to know about YouTube and the community guidelines that I needed to take. And if you want to learn more or go deeper, the links will be in the description box down below, so go ahead and check it out and make sure you do your research real well so that you know what you're doing, and practice to create your thumbnails and a intro. If you want to create your own intros, then you should watch videos and try to learn how to do your own intros. Hey guys, so what I'm going to show you right now is that go to your app where you download apps, and you're going to get the YouTube app, right? If you already have the app, you don't have to pay this no mind. Then once you download the app, it's gonna take you to YouTube, right? But because I'm already logged in with my Gmail account, it's going to come on like this. So I'm going to switch my account and add a new account, and the new account, right, is right here. It's gonna send you right here. So you can either sign in with your Gmail account or you can create a new account. So for instance, what if you don't want to use your original Gmail that you have? You can then go ahead and create an account. It's gonna ask you two options: if you want it to be yourself or you want to manage for your business. And the difference with these two is that for yourself, it's going to be only you managing the account, or for business, it means that more than one person is going to be sharing that account. So I want personal, so I'm going for myself, and I'm going to create an account, and I'm going to say that the name is going to be Miracle Sam, right? That's, as an example, that's going to be my name, and I'm going to click next, add in the date. Let's see, 7 email, and just click next. Now it's going to send you to what Gmail you want. So I'm going to use Miracle Sam gmail.com. I'm just gonna say that. Okay, that's taken. Let's see if I had a number. Miracle Sam 22. Let's see if this works. Alright, Sam Miracle 925. I'm going to use the one that they give me, and I'm going to click next. I'm going to create a password. Alright, next, going to add my phone number. And adding your phone number is going to, if you lock out yourself out of your account, it's going to help you to find or sign in into your account. And then now I'm waiting for the code. Got the code. And then review your account info. This is their terms and guidelines. I'm going to agree, and here it is. So now I'm logged into Miracle Sam, right? This is Miracle Sam account. Now, to create the YouTube channel, you're going to click right over where you see that little picture with the first letter of the name that you use, right? And I'm going to go to, you see where it says your channel. I'm going to go there, and it's going to ask if you want to use the name that you already have, and I might change it to, I'm going to change it from Miracle Sam because I don't want nobody know my name. So I'm going to change it to humble miracle. No, humble Sam, right? And I'm going to click where it says create a channel, and boom, that's it. See, that's it. Now this is my channel, right? This is right here is my channel, and as you can see, you see where it says edit channel, manage videos. If you click manage videos, you don't have any videos yet, so you can click this where it said upload a video if you already have one, and once you click the video, it's gonna send you to your camera or gallery, and you're just gonna click the photo that you want and upload it. Right here where it says edit your channel, you can go right there and you're going to click the camera to put up your photo. So you're going to choose photos. I'm going to choose this photo right here and save. Make sure that you guys have great photos. All right, then you can add stuff into the description, like what your channel is going to be about. And I'm going to say, hi guys, welcome to my channel. And then this channel is going to be about pranks, dance, and more fun. And that's it. You can either add your social name if you want to, and I'm going to go back, go to about, and where you write in the description, this is going to come up on your page telling you guys what your channel is going to be about. And that's it, guys. There's nothing hard about it. And let me show y'all something. There's this YouTube thing called YouTube Academy, where you will learn everything about YouTube. This is their channel. I'm going to be linking them down in the description box down below, so that you guys can know where to go. Okay guys, so I'm going to go to YouTube Studio. If you guys want to go to the desktop looking website, I'm going to go to YouTube Studio, and it's going to tell me to sign in. So I'm going to sign in. It's Miracle Sam 925 at gmail.com. Please remember your email and password, guys. Don't be like me. Oh, sorry guys. Sam Miracle. Put in Alright, so this is what it's going to ask you. It says you're signed in. If you like, take a few moments to help Google work better for you. So I'm going to add a confirming email address and phone number, so that when you log out of your account or you don't remember your password, you'll be able to sign in. So I'm gonna click next. I'm going to use and click next, and that's done. And this is a app you need to download to view your YouTube subscribers and the progress of how your YouTube channel is going. But I'm not going to go on the app. I'm going to use the desktop website. So I'm going to click continue to studio, and it's going to tell you this: for the first time persons creating their YouTube channel, this is what you're supposed to see once you log in on a desktop. And you can click learn more if you want to, and it's gonna tell you the instructions of what these are at the sidebars. And as you can see, this is where you know if you're going to be monetized, and this is where you're going to view your YouTubers and your subscribers count and stuff. And if you click on this pencil right here, you can create a YouTube banner. And let me show you. So if you go to branding, this is where my profile picture is, right? And where it says banner, you can upload a banner from your library. Let me see if I have any banner. Let me see if I can use this. Let me see. I'm going to use this. That's what's going to be at the top of the YouTube the channel heart, and you can add a watermark if you want to. I'm going to use a watermark. Is something where is like a logo or something of your channel, but for that you have to use or create something for yourself. And you can put it at the end, you can leave it for the entire video, right? Or you can customize it at 22 minutes or seconds. And I'm going to publish, and want to show you that if you go to view channel. This is where it's going to show you, and boom, that's how your channel is going to look. And it's simple, it's easy. And yeah guys, just the only thing leave now for you to get a subscriber and for you to put up your YouTube videos. And that's it guys, this is the end of the video. I want to say that you've reached the end of the video, and I want to say thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you guys for also supporting this channel. Thank you for coming back each and every other week that I've post videos. And if you're new, thank you again. I am Trisonie, and if you enjoy this video, give this video a like and subscribe for more. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video, and peace out.